connecting the video intercom. As the installer, now you can add a new video intercom to the previously generated housing unit, in this case Mr. Brown. With the internal monitor powered up, return to the app, select the housing unit, Mr. Brown, press Add Internal Unit, the camera opens. Press any button on the internal monitor. Select the language using button 3 and then press button 4 to confirm. Scan the QR code. Now, the system asks if the video intercom is connected via Ethernet cable or via Wi-Fi. In this case, you select Ethernet and Continue button. If Wi-Fi, follow Process to select the network. Now, the system asks you where you want to install this video intercom. Select the installation we created earlier, Demo. Press the Continue button. At this point, choose whether it's a new housing unit or the one already created. In this case, the one already created by Mr. Brown. Press Continue. Assign a name to this video intercom. Press Next. Press End to complete the installation. The IP system is now set up to receive calls. To call the user Mr. Brown, you can either search for him using the arrow keys or type the number 100, which is the alias or apartment number he has associated with the housing unit. Then press the bell key.
Call is in progress.
At this point, the call will arrive at the video intercom. You can activate the conversation by pressing bell and open the door by pressing key. Contextual icons are displayed above each button on the screen.